Okay, welcome back to another lesson, guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solo as a beginner and as intermediate guitarist. Okay, it's very simple. It's very simple. I know a lot of you have been struggling on how to solo. A lot of you have been finding it difficult on how to solo. Well, there are things I realized lately about soloing that I'm going to share with you that if you guys start working on it, you're going to see a good improvisation and a good improvement in your playing, okay? So without wasting of your time, I'd like us to go straight into the video. But before then, you know that it's the first time you're watching me. Do wait to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out anytime I upload a new video like this, okay? And if you have any challenges, do wait to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply to you as soon as possible. If you want a one-on-one class with me on WhatsApp, it's not a free class, it's a paid tutorial class, okay? Do wait to chat me on the number on the screen there. I'm going to respond to you, okay? All right, guys. So let's move straight to the video. All right, welcome back. So yeah, we're going to do the lesson in the key of F. There's a key of F. So the number one thing I want you to start learning is your major scales in different intervals. So this is what I mean. Just like I played earlier. Now this is your first part. You get your major scale. You can still get your major scale like this. Like you see what I just played through. This is how I create my soloing. This is how I make some cool improvisation whenever I'm improvising over a chord progression or a song. So we can still have it here. This is your key of F. Okay. Now on this shape, you have your key of F again, okay, on this shape. So from this shape again, you can still play like this. See, I'm playing some kind of horizontal shapes. Or see, with this, you can even make a good melody with that, with just your major scale. Okay, with just your major scale, you can make a good melody. So that's the first part. The second thing you have to know is learn your pentatonic in different shape, like just like your major scale. What are the notes that makes up your pentatonic scale? Is your do, re, mi, so, la. So from this shape now, you can get your major pentatonic in different intervals in that key of F. Okay. Now this is the normal pentatonic shape. Okay. In the key of F. Okay. So even without playing here, you can just start. Maybe you can see some guitarists playing stuff like that. This is do, re, mi, sol, la, do, re, mi, sol, la, do. Okay, so if you are in a progression or in a song, like let me say, for instance, let's use a song like Jesus, you are so good to me. 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 Jesus, you are. Okay, see, with that you can solo as a beginner. Okay, so with that we can have a good soloing like that. Okay. Mm. You can even use your major scale to improvise it from like something like la so re do. Okay, so with this you can have a very good insight of what you do. So in my next video I'm still show you another way you can solo as a beginner, as intermediate guitarist. That's going to sound better, sounds cool. Okay, all right, see you guys in the next video. Bye.